Stickball, or Ani-Yo Wei-Hiyu, the little brother of war, is far more than just a game. It is a ceremony, preparation, and medicine for the body and spirit. For the Cherokee people, Stickball originated as a way to resolve conflict, strengthen warriors, and unite communities. It is a powerful Cherokee tradition that stands for unity, strength, and heritage. Long ago, our ancestors played stickball to settle disputes and prepare for battle. With no protective gear and few boundaries, stickball has tested the limits of both body and spirit for centuries. Each team's preparation is sacred, grounded in teachings passed down from generation to generation, and every game honors our history, our people, and our medicine.
Chiều, LOD, hãy ini dago down. Ni wo dihi digi lotion, no way, ni wo dihi dig what nation. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the stickball and water. Each of these stickball teams that we have here, they go to water, and they use it as protection to help look after their bodies, and they use medicine during our game, so the medicine helps their bodies and helps their team out, and when they're preparing for battle, that's when they'll use that water to protect themselves and put it on. So then after they're done with the game, all the teams will go to water and they'll wash off everything. And they wash off and they leave anything out there on the field, any elements and stuff like that. They wash it off with the water, any feelings. They wash all that stuff off and let the stream take it down, take it away. But that's the significance of the water.
Stickball isn't just about competition, it's about teamwork, resilience, and honoring who we are as Cherokee people. In modern times, stickball remains a living thread to Cherokee heritage that reminds us healing and readiness are intertwined. Just as our ancestors turned to the game to prepare for life's battles, today we recognize that medicine takes many forms. Players train hard and use physical therapy to stay strong and recover.
Shio Nagata, my name is Jennifer Thompson, and I'm the Rehab Director for Cherokee Indian Hospital. And for Native American Heritage Month, I'm happy to be joined with members of our stickball teams to help demonstrate our cultural awareness and heritage, along with some of the rehab possibilities that we offer to community members. In the rehab department, first and foremost, we honor our culture and treat every patient as family. Cherokee stickball has strong historical roots and demonstrates brotherhood while honoring our values of respect, discipline, cooperation, and community. A guiding principle that is practiced daily in our department is Igwazili Iusti, like family to me. My hope in developing this video is to demonstrate the true community bond that I instill in my departmental values and our strong commitment to incorporating my Cherokee culture into our daily practice. This is Corey Junaleska. He plays for Wolftown Stickball team, and we're going to demonstrate a evaluation for an ankle. Can you bring your foot up towards your face? Hold it there. Don't let me pull it down. Good. And come back down. Hold it there. Good. Go across that way. Hold it there. Good. Go across this way. Hold it there. Good. And just relax. So now we're going to treat his ankle pain. We're going to do some exercises using a TheraBand. So bring your foot up this way, and I want you to bring it in across, just like that. And then come back. Do that 5 times for me. This is your wave swimmer, and we're going to check his gait, see if he has any problems that we can correct with some therapy. All right, so for this exercise, we're going to work on his lower extremity strength again. So go ahead and squat down, hold it, and then come back up. Do that 2 more times for me. Hold it again, Come back up. One more. Good. And come back up. This is Chunky Reed, and he represents the Big Cove Stickball team. And we're going to check his knee today. Yep. And just relax for me. Bring your knee up. Just relax. So a treatment that you can do for your knee is we use kinesio tape, and this will help change how your knee tracks some. So I'm just going to apply some kinesio tape to his knee. All right, so just relax for me. Okay, just relax. Now I want you to straighten that knee out for me. And back down. Do that 10 times for me. Okay. The elliptical will help him build some endurance, but will also keep some of the stress off of his knee so it's not as hard as running. So go ahead and start. This is Israel Rodriguez, and he represents the Wolftown Stickball team. We're going to be working on his leg. He's strained this muscle during his stickball game, so we're going to work on breaking up some of those adhesions in there. We use some tools called the Hawk Grip tools. They're special tools that will help with blood flow. It'll help with the healing process, and it'll help break up any scar tissue. These tools are also specially made so it'll help you find any adhesions in the muscles that you can't normally feel with just your fingers. This is Chola Howling Crane, and we're going to demonstrate some balance stuff on this bird balance machine. So as you can see, he's like shifting his weight, and this helps with his balance. It's also a good thing to use for people who've had concussions in whatever sport. All right, so if you'll go ahead and stand up for me, I want your arms out to the side. I want you to bring your finger into here and go out. And your finger into here and out. Good. So the next treatment that we're going to do is called ultrasound. And this can help with some deep bruising. It can help with inflammation. It can help with any kind of pain. And it's set up for what particular region you're wanting to work on. So there's different settings that you can use. For this particular one, we're using it for some muscle spasm and some inflammation. It would normally be a treatment for about 8 minutes. So now we're going to do a treatment that is called electrical stimulation. You can use it for several different purposes. For this purpose, you're going to use it for some back pain. And so we're going to set it up, and it helps to alleviate pain by blocking the pain receptors as they're going to your brain. You ready? I'll take that over. So it's going to stop, and then it's going to circulate around. Okay. This is a treatment that we usually do for about 20 minutes. And again, it helps to alleviate muscle spasms. It can help with some bruising. It can help with pain. There's other settings that we can use with this machine for other purposes. It can help with some strengthening of some muscles if you've got a lot of deficit in that. This is Danny Martin. He plays for the Hermits, and we're going to assess his shoulder. He's having some shoulder pain. Bring your arm back and forth. Hold it there. Good. Come back this way. Hold it there. Push it back. Arm straight up. Hold that there. Don't push it down. Come out to the side. Point your thumb down. Hold that there. Good. Relax. Now relax. Okay. For this exercise, we're going to do a ball roll on the wall. This helps with shoulder stability. You just do circles. So this exercise is going to help with the shoulder stability in the back of your shoulder. So we'll just do a little lift off, arm off, and back down, and then do the other side, and back down.